Needle AI has just been released, and it's already making waves in the AI software world. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Needle AI and why it could be the best tool you've been looking for in 2025. Whether you're a business owner or a digital marketer, this software is something you're definitely going to want to keep an eye on. Stick with me till the end because I'm going to share how you can try it for free and also give you my top AI software recommendations based on thousands of trials. First off, Needle AI isn't just another automation tool. It's a game changer when it comes to simplifying tasks like customer service, email marketing, and even lead generation. What makes it stand out is its deep learning algorithms that truly adapt to your specific needs. Whether you're an e-commerce site or a marketing agency, it learns from your previous actions and improves with time. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, which is a huge plus if you've used AI software that's been clunky or difficult to navigate. With Needle AI, there's no steep learning curve, and you can get started almost immediately. From automating emails to managing customer interactions, Needle AI handles it all seamlessly, saving you tons of time. Needle AI's personalization capabilities are a major selling point. If you're running campaigns or working with large customer bases, this software takes personalization to the next level by tailoring content based on customer behavior. This is powerful because it allows you to create hyper-targeted campaigns without needing a massive marketing team. Another feature that really stands out is its integration with other platforms. Whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, or even CRM tools like HubSpot, Needle AI fits into your existing workflow without a hitch. This makes it easy for businesses to adopt without needing to overhaul their entire system. One of the best things about Needle AI is its customer support. Most AI tools leave you hanging with minimal support, but Needle AI offers live chat and resources that are easy to access. So if you run into any issues, you'll get the help you need quickly. Now, let's talk pricing. While many AI software solutions charge a hefty subscription, Needle AI offers a free version with limited features. For those looking to unlock the full potential, the paid version is surprisingly affordable for the value you're getting. I always recommend trying the free version first, and with Needle AI, you can easily see if it's the right fit for your business. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Needle AI for completely free by clicking the first link below. It's a great way to test out the software and see if it's a good fit for your needs without committing to anything upfront. In conclusion, Needle AI is one of the best just released AI tools I've seen this year. From its powerful features to its ease of use, it's something worth exploring. And don't forget, I've included my top AI software recommendations in the description, so if you want to dive deeper into other tools after trying Needle AI, I've got you covered. Thanks for watching.